Welcome to another episode of Jay's Learning School, where I help you to speak better English. On today's lesson, I'm going to teach you the difference between the words big, bigger, and biggest. And so I want you to get ready to learn. And while you're here, please make sure you hit that subscribe button right below, as well as the like button and the notification bell. The like button will help me to know that you are learning and enjoying the videos, and the subscribe and notification bell will keep you informed as I am releasing multiple videos throughout the week just to help you. And also down in the description, I have some free resources that can help you speak better English besides just these videos. I have a podcast that you can listen to on your mobile phone. And I'm also going to be starting this week a free English class. And if you would like to sign up, and I will send you the private link to the YouTube free English class later this week, the time and the link, and you can join me on a live stream where you can comment and ask questions and meet others that are in the same setting that want to speak better English. Let's get into today's lesson. So the word big describes the size of something or someone, okay? You're describing the size of one thing or one person. Big is what you use in a singular term. Let's look at an example. So you may say that is a big house. If you're in a neighborhood or you're driving somewhere or riding a bike, you would describe that one house as being big. Or if you were looking at a person that had big feet, you would say he has big feet, or she has big feet, or he has a big head, okay? I have a big nose. So again, big is used to describe one particular object, thing, or person. Another example that you can use to practice the term or word big, he gave me a big piece of fish. So if you were at a restaurant and you ordered some fish and it happened to be a large portion, you would say, wow, that is a big piece of fish. Or if they brought you a loaf of bread or a piece of bread or a biscuit, you would say that is a big piece of bread. Again, you're describing a singular object or person. Now, bigger means that one thing is larger in size than another. So now you're comparing two objects with the term or word bigger. Let's look at some examples so you can practice. This car is bigger than the other. You understand? His feet are bigger than her feet. So you're comparing two objects. That house is bigger than the other house. Or you may say, I need a bigger wallet. Okay? So though you're describing one thing, you're saying that you need something to be larger. You need more space. I need a bigger wallet. Okay? Also, if you're not a subscriber, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. I need you to subscribe so I can have a bigger audience. Let's look at another example. My business is growing bigger by the day. So you're comparing the business activities day by day. My business is growing bigger by the day. Okay? Now, biggest refers to the largest in its section or category. Now you're comparing 3, 4, or 5 different people or things. And so you can use the term biggest. Let's look at some examples so you can practice. This orange is the biggest of them all. So if I have an orange and I'm giving out portions and I cut, you may say my slice is the biggest slice. Or if you have some pizza and you cut the pizza and it's not in even slices, One person may say, my slice is bigger than your slice. But then someone else may say, his slice is bigger than your slice. But then I may say, my slice of the pizza is the biggest of them all. Are you getting the picture? Another example, it is the biggest prison in the county or the country. This is the biggest prison in the country. Okay? So now I'm comparing the size of this prison or the size of this school to others that are inside of the United States or another country. So I'm comparing it to multiple objects. The King Kai is the biggest roller coaster in the United States of America. It is the largest. It is the biggest roller coaster. So we have Six Flags here. In Texas, they have like 3 Six Flags. In California, I think they have 2 or 3 Six Flags amusement parks. In Florida, they have Universal. They have Disney World. In California, it's Disneyland. And so if I were to ask, well, what is the biggest roller coaster of them all, I would say the King Kai. I believe that's how you say that. I know you'll correct me down in the comments section. So these are some of the differences between big, bigger, and biggest. Okay. Now, leave me a comment down in the comments section on how you can use, whether it's big, bigger, or biggest, how would you use it in a sentence? Make sure also, if you're not a subscriber, to subscribe to the channel, share it with a friend on your social media accounts, as well as give the video a like. That will definitely help me. And be sure to join the list down in the description section if you would like to be a part of the live free streaming English class later this week. All right, I hope you join me on my next video. I certainly appreciate you taking time out of your schedule today. It really means much to me. Join me next time, as well as check out some of my other videos right here on Jay's Learning School. Have a great day. God bless.